Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of TV antennas.
And I'm thrilled to introduce you to what I believe is the best antenna for portable TV on the market. The Chaowei Digital TV Antenna-DVB66. This little device may be small, but don't let its size fool you. It packs a punch when it comes to delivering crystal clear picture quality and access to a wide range of free local channels. Now, let's delve into what makes the Chaowei DVB66 stand out from the crowd.
First off, let's talk about its compact design.
Standing at only 5 inches tall, this antenna is perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Its 360-degree signal reception ensures that you get optimal coverage no matter where you place it. Setting up the Chaowei DVB66 is a breeze. Simply screw it into your TV, position it in your desired location, and use your TV's menu to scan for channels.
In just a few minutes, you'll be enjoying live TV in stunning HD quality.
One of the standout features of the Chaowei DVB66 is its magnetic base, which allows for convenient placement on any iron surface. Whether you choose to mount it indoors or outdoors, its waterproof design ensures optimal performance in any weather conditions.
And let's not forget about the generous 16.5 feet coaxial cable that comes included.
This extra-long cable gives you the flexibility to position the antenna wherever you can pick up the most channels, whether that's by a window or on the roof.
Now, when you choose Chaowei, you're not just getting a quality product, you're also getting peace of mind.
With 15 years of experience in the industry, Chaowei is committed to providing top-notch customer support and assistance with any technical issues that may arise. So, there you have it, folks. The Chaowei Digital TV Antenna DVB66.
With its compact design, powerful performance, and commitment to quality,
it's the perfect choice for anyone looking to cut the cord and enjoy free local channels.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Until next time, happy viewing.